Have you ever wondered how a small house in the woods is built during winter? The crackle of frozen ground underfoot and the hush of snow falling. It's a challenging yet magical experience. Today, we're delving into the fascinating process, breaking it down into clear, easy-to-understand steps. First things first, every great structure starts with a comprehensive building plan. This blueprint serves as the roadmap guiding each step of the construction process. It details the layout of the house, the placement of the windows and doors, right down to the location of the electrical outlets and plumbing fixtures. Next, it's time to gather the building materials. From the timber for the frame to the glass for the windows, each element must be carefully selected. It's crucial to choose materials that can withstand the harsh winter conditions. The wood, for example, should be treated to resist rot and pests. Once the materials are ready, it's time to dig the foundation. This is a critical step, as the foundation supports the entire house. The ground is first cleared of snow, and then the earth is excavated to the required depth. A layer of gravel is then laid, followed by a concrete slab that forms the base of the house. With the foundation set, construction can begin. The frame of the house is erected, starting with the walls, followed by the roof. Each piece is carefully measured, cut, and assembled on site. This process requires precision and skill to ensure the structure is stable and secure. Once the frame is up, it's time for roofing and cladding of the interior. The roof is covered with insulating materials to keep the cold out, while the interior walls are clad with wood, creating a cozy and warm atmosphere inside. The final stage is the finishing. This is where the house truly comes to life. The walls are painted, the floors are laid, and the fixtures are installed. Every detail counts, from the type of light fixtures to the color of the paint. In summary, constructing a small house in the woods during winter is a delicate balance of careful planning, meticulous execution, and attention to detail. It begins with a detailed building plan, followed by the gathering of suitable materials. The foundation is then dug and the house is constructed, starting with the frame and ending with the roof. The interior is then clad, and the house is finished with paint, flooring, and fixtures. Each step is crucial in creating a home that is not only structurally sound, but also comfortable and cozy, a true haven amidst the snowy wilderness. Building a house in winter might seem like a daunting task, but with the right approach, it's a rewarding journey that ends with the creation of a warm and inviting home. So, the next time you see a small house nestled in the woods, you'll appreciate the craftsmanship, planning, and hard work that went into its construction.